The next big thing in the E&C industry is data-driven action. As data is being collected and dashboards are already available, connectivity is getting better. The one thing that is still missing is being able to drive real-time action out of that data. The largest hurdles for the development in the E&C industry is culture and resistance to change. The fact that there's so many contributors on the construction site and on a project makes it almost impossible to adopt technology and drive real change. Construction sites in 30 years from now will look more like an Intel clean room. Robotics, 3D printing, definitely different materials. It will be cleaner and faster. The most successful players in the E&C industry in the next decades will be the ones that are agile and willing to adopt technology and change fast. I believe the ones that are able to work with startups when we still need their support and help and resources are the ones that will end up being the winners. My one call for action is that engagement with startups and technology, and at the earliest stages possible, because by the time technologies get to market, you have lost your chance to influence. And you might end up with amazing technology and new tools to work with, but it might also mean the loss of the competitive edge that everybody's looking for.